Okay, here we are today in Renee's kitchen. We're making sopaipillas, a New Mexican, Albuquerque, New Mexican dish, Tex-Mex dish with. You explain how much you're putting in there. How much flour?
2 cups.
2 cups flour.
A half a teaspoon of salt, preferably kosher salt. And then you have 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of lard. You cut all that together, and then you're going to add approximately a cup of milk, and then you want your dough to be a little more doughier than this. It's not quite.
A little more milk.
You don't want to add the full cup. Just kind of, when you get towards the cup, you just start adding it sparingly, so you don't want it to be too yucky, and you don't want it to be too firm. You want it to be just perfect.
Remember, use your snow-capped lard. It's flavorful and pure. No artificial ingredients. 1 ingredient, lard. Flour, 1 ingredient, flour. Milk, 1 ingredient, milk. Salt, 1 ingredient. So, okay, we're going to do a pause here, and we're going to come back to. Now we're going to we're heating up this cast iron skillet, which is going to put your lard in there, and we're going to fry it in there. Fried bread. So she's working really hard at this.
Okay, there we go.
We're going to pause it, and we're going to come back, and we're going to let it sit a while.
Yep, that's it.
About half an hour. It's got to rest because it's been tired.